Hello, everyone. Welcome to Junior Journeys. I'm so happy you're here today. Are you ready to learn something amazing? Today, we are exploring the world of numbers. Today, we are going to learn the table of 2. It's a superpower for your brain. Repeat after me and let's say it together. Here we go. First one, 2 ones are 2. Now it's your turn. Everybody say it together. 2 ones are 2. Great. Next, 2 twos are 4. Your turn. That's it. 2 twos are 4. Keep it up. 2 threes are 6. Say it loud. You've got it. 2 threes are 6.
Wonderful.
2 fours are 8. Together now. Keep going. 2 fours are 8. You're doing great. 2 fives are 10. Give it a try. So good. 2 fives are 10. Excellent. 2 sixes are 12. Your turn.
Wonderful.
2 sixes are 12. So smart. 2 sevens are 14. Let me hear you. Almost there. 2 sevens are 14. Almost there. 2 eights are 16. Go for it.
Excellent.
2 eights are 16.
Nearly finished.
2 nines are 18. Say it together. Last push. 2 nines are 18. Last one. 2 tens are 20. Big finish. 2 tens are 20. Yay! We learned the table of 2. Wow, you all did fantastic. Now, let's challenge ourselves. Let's say the whole table one more time, but this time we'll do it even faster. Are you ready? Let's go. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. You did it! You are officially a table of 2 master. Keep practicing every day and you'll be the best in your class. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for joining me on this junior journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.